Hello everyone, today we are going to present about the Acn3110 Accounting and Financial Information. Today we are choose the topic is about choosing accountant as a professional, challenge, opportunity, and rewards. My name is Zhang Junwei. My matric number is 201377. Next slide, please. First, I will do the introduction, and then I will do a little about challenge, and then my partner will do the opportunity and rewards and conclusion. Next slide, please. The accountant profession has always been a hot industry. The basic financial profession in the market has become strategic, and high-end accounting personally are still lacking. Financial personally holding ACCA certificate are still in a great demand, especially now facing the impact of artificial intelligence. Many financial personnel are in the transformation to management accounting in the future development trend. Next slide, please. Now I will continue with the challenges. New skill requirement, in addition to new technology requirements and the poor accounting knowledge. Accountants are facing a much more interconnected world. This means the where multiple heads to understand how the financial picture is drawn. Especially as that means becoming more adept in understanding business requirements, processes, and even consumer behavior. Today, the accountant is less than bookkeeping and more than data analyst. In an uncertain economy, business needs accurate, inform the financial insight to save money and make the best decision possible. Financial forecasting, financial analyst, and cash flow projectment professionally are critical skills to have now. The more percent accountants are in these skills, the more valued they become. Additionally, being able to create a dynamic financial and business report that answer exactly what the company need to achieve their key objective and improvement. Next step, please. The second one, most important, is about IT security. Internal and external accounting system security are very important in 2020. Significant hacking and fraud incidents had been steadily increasing, with spike this year as the workforce shift more to the cloud in the face of COVID-19. For accountants, the challenge is implementing process and tools to protect data. Remember, accounting error and the data theft has caused many businesses actually fail. However, while their digital challenge remain, the advantage for the accountants is knowing the picture and the internal control need to protect the financial data. Okay, now I will pass my presentation to my partner, Dongwan Yi.
Hello everyone, my name is Dongwan Yi, my matric number is 201378. So now I'm going to talk about the tax law changes. The constant changes for accountants is keeping up with tax regulations. All levels of accountants and CPAs should be mindful of changes and be able to use accounting technology and tax management system to handle tax online. Digital tax requirements like the UK's Making Tax Digital are growing across the world. Therefore, it's important for accountants to be familiar with the technologies and strategies. So being able to recommend IT solutions around tax filing and compliance are also a great way to get ahead the competition. Next slide, please. Next, let's move on to the opportunities. Next slide, please. So as a accountant, you can have the following opportunities. First, I'm going to talk about the self-employed. You can work individual or form a partnership with other accountants. In such a case, it is advisable to have your CPA license. Many independent accountants prepare tax returns and consult in small business. Some of them specialize in a certain type of services or industries. Next slide, please. Next, I'm going to talk about the private accounting. Every company has an in-house accounting department to track payroll, accountants receivable, and accountants payable, and to prepare budgets and financial systems. Public companies may also have an internal audit department career opportunities in private accounting encompass such areas as financial accounting, cost accounting, tax accounting, budgeting, accounting information system, and internal auditing. Next slide, please. Of course, as a content, you can also gather work opportunities in the education area, such as the education sector offers many opportunities for accounting graduates, as there is a growing shortage of accounting faculty. This demand is fueled by the increasing retirement of accounting faculty hired in the 1960s to 1970s to teach baby boomers, in addition to the increasing college enrollment. So that's all from my part. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Okay, let me introduce. If you work as a accountant, you may have the following opportunities in your future career path. So the first one is the ability to start your own business. Yes, after years of accumulating work experience, when an accountant has developed a good amount of business contacts, accountants may feel more better by using their own networking to develop and start their own business. So if the stronger the ability to get more recognition in the industry can be faster to expand the business, and the demand of the company will take the initiative to fund your reputation. So next one is have a better understanding of taxation and business law. So a good accounting degree accumulate circular. Okay, let me introduce opportunities in your career path if you work as an accountant. So the first one is ability to start own business. So after years of accumulating working experience, when accountant has developed a good amount of business contacts, accountants may feel more better by using their own networking to develop and start their own business. And if it's stronger, the ability to get more recognition in the industry can be faster to expand the business. So the demand of the company will take the initiative to fund user reputation. And next is have a better understanding of taxation and business law. So a good accounting degree cumulative will include courses on business law as well as taxation. So because of the personal, legal, and business regulations of breaking or neglecting tax laws, accountants may acquire knowledge of some taxation. And the financial industry is strictly controlled by every country and involve many different files. So therefore, it's an essential skill for accountant to understand or master relevant laws, because even a slight loophole may cause extremely serious consequence. So last opportunity is working in a variety of environments. So as accountant, you are free to choose environment in which you work. Accounting tends to be a universal need, and everyone could use the service of an accountant, from farmers to software development company. Their professional could choose to consulting, bookkeeping, tax, or payroll service, with others may choose to work in manufacturing, government, insurance, finance, or company management. An accountant can also open their own business if they have the certificate public accountant, CPA, that certificate. So a certain number of accountants work from home or travel to audit client. That's all. Thank you.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Zulhaikal Alif bin Mihai, and my matrix number is 196339. So I'm going to continue the presentations about rewards and conclusions. So firstly, for the rewards is high average salary. So accountants make a good income, and the pay range for this professional is often competitive. These factors include their place of employment, years of experience, level of education, and where they were geographically located. Whether the company is privately owned, public, or operated by the government, it is also likely that higher paid salaries are offered in bigger metropolitan areas. So secondly, it's good job security. Every organization and business needs an accountant to oversee its finances. So accountant positions are constantly in demand in nearly every industry. The demand for accountants is very consistent and offer great career longevity and good job security for these professionals. So thirdly is travel. So some accountants have the opportunity to travel as a regular part of their job. For example, an accountant may have clients in various cities and must travel to work with each client. Traveling is typically up to the individual accountant. So if the thought of regular travel doesn't seem an advantage to you, you can always choose to not travel as part of your work. So moving on. Is gaining a better understanding of taxation and business law. A good accounting degree curriculum will include courses on business law as well as taxation. Courses and programs are regularly evaluated for freshness and relevance. Ensure students learn about taxation and business law topic is a crucial element. Last but not least is opportunity for advancement. So once an accountant has gained experience, they can seek other jobs in the financial industry. Common opportunities that accountants seek after working as an accountant include jobs as a personal financial advisor, forensic accountants, and actuary. So last but not least, for conclusion, I will say the accounting is a very diverse career path that will forever be in demand as our world moves more towards global transactions. I also believe that accountants will be in more demand. This is because accountants are a necessity to determine how successful a business entity is. That can be detrimental in determining if a business segment can survive in new international market, cost needed to allocate, and etc. Thank you.